Alright, we're going to try to go from the edge of Tom Brown Park here to the cinemas. We're in Tallahassee. Now I'm going to take it through these water puddles and hopefully not get swallowed up whole. Can't probably see them here. I'll get us on this road exiting Tom Brown Park. FSD now. Got a Friday evening about 6 p.m. So there might be a little bit of traffic out, although we're taking a back road. Okay, kind of a sharp little turn here. Nicely done. Slowed down a little bit for that. I like to see it doing that. And we got a roundabout up here. It's just going to roll it, which is great. Got some train tracks down here. Go ahead and slow it down. It normally does not slow down for the train tracks. So these look very smooth. Not bad. Okay. Now we got another roundabout up here. Goes into this little neighborhood. Traffic behind me. Okay. Now I put on a blinker. Didn't need to do that. You could put a blinker on to exit if you like. Not bad. Not bad. Very nice little roundabout. I'll take this road back here behind Walmart and Costco. Red light. Could come to a complete stop. Okay. Up here, nicely done. I told it to navigate to the theater. Doesn't look like it goes all the way there. We'll see where it ends up. Slowing a little bit for that car exiting. That was okay. Okay, slowing a little abruptly here. Roundabout, big one. Okay, proper exit. Looks like it doesn't know where the theater is though. So, the theater's actually right over here. So we will go ahead and end it there. That was a perfect ride.